The temperature was 32 degrees with light snow and fog and a visibility of 1 mile at Lehigh Valley International Airport. The dew point was 32 degrees and the relative humidity 100%. The wind was calm. The pressure 29.45 inches and steady. Some conditions for nearby portions of eastern Pennsylvania at 4 p.m. At Hazleton, snow was falling with a temperature of 32. Rain was falling with a temperature of 37 at Lancaster and 45 at Philadelphia. At Doylestown, it was cloudy with a temperature of 41. At Wilkes-Barre Scranton, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 31. At Mount Pocono, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 30. At Harrisburg, sleet and rain were reported with a temperature of 34. Here are some conditions in northern New Jersey at 4 p.m. Rain was falling with a temperature of 41 at Morristown, 41 at Somerville, and 42 at Trenton. At Newark, it was cloudy with a temperature of 46. At Sussex, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 34. At Andover, the weather conditions were not available. A few other locations at 4 p.m. Rain was falling with a temperature of 38 at Pittsburgh and 45 at Washington, D.C. At State College, drizzle was falling with a temperature of 34. It was cloudy with a temperature of 31 at Binghamton, 46 at New York City, and 46 at Pomona. Once again, at 4 p.m. at Lehigh Valley International Airport, with light snow and fog, the temperature was 32 degrees.